chart over here. Now what is the recent high? So it is very difficult to find out a recent high over here because these are not recent highs. So you have to go towards the left, towards the left, towards the left, towards the left. Yes, yes. See, now here we have found one issue. The issue is, to find a recent high, I have to scroll back to the last data points. At least I have to go back 1 month or 2 months back just to see whether a level break has happened or not. So in that scenario, or in that case, what you can do is, the easiest way to track a particular level or a level break, what you have to do is, you just have to consider the data that is in front of you. Now what is the data that is in front of you? You have the data, this particular data in front of you. So in that case we are only going to look into the recent level breaks. Okay, so now if you can see, there is a substantial fight over here. Okay, substantial fight. Now if you can see, there is a substantial fight, and this can be marked as a concentration point over here, and the price was broken at this particular level. This is a concentration point, but did it sustain? No, it came down directly, right? If it would have been some more candles over here and the price going up, then we would have considered this as a level, but for now this is not a level. So we are not going to consider any of the levels over here. So this is not a level, so we are not going to consider this. We are going to remove the drawings that we have done. Now coming to the next, let's say, now I'll move on to the next chart. Beautiful. Now here if you can see, Bharat Electronics, this was the recent high of the market, right? So we are going to mark this particular level like this. We don't know yet whether it is a level or not, but to analyze it, we have to mark it. After marking this, we have to look at the three conditions that we have learned. The first, it has crossed the previous high. Condition 1 has been met. There was a substantial fight between the buyers and sellers. This is a concentration point over here. Two of the conditions are met, but now is the third condition is being met? Yes, in this scenario we have a third condition that is true, because quite for some time the price sustained above this particular level. So this is a level break, and we are going to mark this particular horizontal line over here where it broke. And also it is very important to mark till what point it has taken the price up, right? Now if you can see, after this it couldn't go up, so we're going to have two horizontal lines. The first, the level break. The second, till what point the price was taken up. So I'll just write it for you. Markings. The first marking that we are going to do is for the level break. It is simple. Once all the three conditions are met, we are going to mark the level break. Second, till which point was the price taken up while crossing the level. So we are also going to mark this particular point, because next, by any chance, if the price move on and goes up beyond this particular point, so this will be the recent high, and if the price again move on, we can again mark it as a level break. So marking these points, these particular two horizontal lines, are very important. Okay, now we are not discussing any entries, we're not discussing about anything. Just concentrate on what is a level, what is a level break, what is a concentration point, and two markings that you need to do. Let's go to a different stock, that is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, if you see over here, there was a break over here, right? If you can see, there is a level break over here. Is it a level break? No, because it came down directly. Again, it tried to cross up, came down. There was no level break. So we are going to ignore this particular stock as there are no level breaks found. Next, Biocon. Same thing, there's no level break. The price is coming down as of now. Now let's move on to a different stock. And that is Ashok Leyland. Here, if you can see, this was the recent high, and the price today, right? Today, the price has moved up and crossed this level. Condition number one, it has crossed the recent high. Condition number two, there has to be a substantial fight. So there was a big fight right over here. Price came up, came down, and finally it crossed. But is this is a level? No, not looking like a level because it could not sustain the previous high. So we are not going to mark this is a level as well. Coming to this stock, Balkrishna Industries, same thing. It has just crossed it. We are not sure as of now whether it's a level break or not. We have to see now. If it sustains above this particular level, there will be a level break. Canara Bank price is coming down, so currently there is no substantial break above the previous high. Coforge, there may be a break above this particular level, but we need to wait. Currently we do not have a level break over here. So the way I'm explaining you by taking random stocks is you can also get an idea of how you can track the stocks post market, right? So here you can see over here there is a level break. No, there is no level break. This is not a level break because the price could not sustain. There was a substantial fight. Price came up and it came down. There was no level break over here.